Are you tired of stretching out the collars of your shirts to get them onto hangers and then stretching them on the other side as well, and just the frustration of hanging in general? Well, I was just gifted these hangers from Hanger Revolution and I am truly impressed. These are ABS plastic. They fold open very cleanly. They're very light. They're also very, very sturdy, and they even have grooves on them to hold all sorts of clothing, so nothing's gonna fall off them. And how they work is a bit revolutionary. Instead of having to stretch your collar to put it in, you really do just hold the shirt up, stick it in, and you're in. Just like that. It's almost instantaneous. And once the shirt's in, the hanger will not fold on it. It's going to stay on the hanger. And it actually does twist as well. So you can hang it however you want, wherever you want. And it comes in great colors. Obviously, this is the pink one. If you want to go more simple, you can go clear or black, whatever you prefer. And then when you're ready to wear the shirt, all you do is fold the hanger and the shirt falls right off. Super simple, super clean. I am so impressed with these hangers and I definitely recommend them.